headaches and or migraines. Today you'll see the chiropractic adjustment delivered to a patient who suffers from this. My name is Dr. Alykhan Shariff. I'm a local chiropractor in Oshawa, Ontario. My clinic name is Infinite Healing Chiropractic Wellness Center. I'm going to get you to go onto your back first. Good. We're going to bring this knee up. Good. You're going to feel my hand just placed right here, my hand on top. I'm just going to push up. Good. Now you're going to feel me push down. Get you to go back onto your tummy. Turn your head this way. Thank you. Sarah, tell me about your experiences with headaches and migraines as you've been coming here for chiropractic care.
So when I originally came here, I experienced a lot of headaches and migraines.
Right.
It was really debilitating on my life. It affected me almost every day. Since coming here, it's become a lot less. I barely get migraines. Headaches
Awesome.
are very manageable.
Awesome.
I can always come here and they're always fixed.
That is awesome. That's awesome. And would you recommend chiropractic care to others?
100%. I especially recommend this clinic. It's helped me so much in my life.
That's awesome. Thank you.